me show you how I like to hoop and embroider a t-shirt on a single needle machine. First, I always mark my shirt with a target sticker in the location where I'll be applying the embroidery. The arrow points in the up direction, which will be important as you'll see in a few moments. Next, I'm going to insert the hoop with the hardware that attaches to the machine at the neck opening. Then I'm going to insert my stabilizer. I like to use the no-show polymesh type. One layer of a 1.5 or 1.8 ounce is enough for a standard embroidery, and you just want to be sure that it's contained all the way in the hoop, with stabilizer extending from all edges of the hoop. Then I'm going to apply the inner ring using my markers on my hoop to align to my target sticker. So the center marks will all be aligned with the sticker so that I know that my embroidery will be straight and centered. When I'm satisfied that my target sticker is centered, I like to insert the inner ring against the outer ring along one long edge. Then I like to gently pull the knit in the direction of the least stretch, which is going to be the vertical direction generally, and then gently insert the other end of the hoop using just the pressure of my thumbs. That will create a nice tension on the fabric. We don't want to overly stretch it as we pull against it. Rather, we're just putting some tension on it. The reason for that is that we don't want the presser foot to push the fabric around. So that's why we do the snowplow test, which means when you run your finger lightly against the fabric surface, it should not snowplow or bunch up ahead of your finger. The second test to make sure that your fabric is hooped correctly is the lift test. It should be difficult to pick the material up from the stabilizer. They should be as one. So with the target sticker in position, I will load this into the machine with the hardware coming out of the neck. This makes it quite easy, but remember, we're going to have to rotate our design so that it is matching the orientation of the arrow. That arrow is a great reminder to rotate your design. Let's go to the machine. At the machine, just pull the fabric away from the hoop and insert the hardware into the machine, and this will line up your target sticker pretty well under the needle if you've hooped properly. This will make it very manageable to keep your fabric out of the way of the embroidery needle during the embroidery process. Just remember to orient your design to the direction of the arrow and you're good to go.